Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas week 2. It's Monday morning right now, about to go to work. I uploaded week 1 yesterday. However, I never even filmed anything yesterday at all. There's no outro. It's just kind of a bit of a mess, to be honest. And I also ended up putting the wrong dates for like the majority of the days. I don't know how I managed to do that because I checked it over so many times. But then as soon as I uploaded it, I was like, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I know not really much happened in it. Hopefully this week will be a bit more exciting. Just ignore my hair, it looks really bad. I didn't have time to wash it, so this was the best I could do. So yeah, I'm going to work right now. It's really cold. I haven't exercised in a while, so might do that. I need to shower. I need to make lunch first actually because I'm really hungry. And then later on I'm going shopping with Marvin. So hopefully I'll be able to vlog some of that. I need to get a couple of things for like wrapping presents, etc. I don't really know if I have any other presents to buy. Most of the presents I bought are online. So yeah, I will try and vlog a lot of the day. I have really bad cramps, so I'm planning on getting a hot water bottle, getting something to eat, and just relaxing because I'm in pain.
Juliet, I hate my face right now.
Do you not want to talk?
This is just for Juliet herself, 350 extra small, Primark, lovely. And we have a lovely collection of, what are they called, like pajama bottoms,
Yeah, they're very
everywhere.
fluffy. They're really nice.
You know, plain black. Anything else in here? We've got
some tights and some makeup remover wipes.
yes, lovely. And these are for Michael. Spoiler alert. Oh, wait, are they?
Yes,
I
yeah.
thought they were.
My mum asked me to get them
Hope you
from
enjoy.
Santa. I've got some wrapping paper. Lovely. And then I can't show you the rest because it's messy.
I got pajama set, and then some bits and bobs in here. I just can't even enjoying. So yeah, enjoy. Bye. See you later.
So it's Tuesday, just got home, and I thought I'd vlog because I'm about to do something that could be really stupid. So basically, I have this ham that I bought a couple weeks ago. And basically, it's been like in the fridge and covered up, except I did open it like the day I bought it. And it says keep in the fridge and eat within 2 days of opening. And I'm pretty sure I bought it like 2 weeks ago maybe, but the use by date is today. So I don't know if I should just use it, because it smells fine, like it looks normal. I was really excited I was gonna make myself like a toasty. I've never had a toasty before. I know that might be crazy, but I'm not exactly the biggest bread fan. So I was like, I don't like toasties. But I thought I'd make one, like I was like, I'll just try it. See, now I'm thinking because it's getting cooked, it should be fine. To be honest, I don't even know if this is a toasty maker, I'm not gonna lie. I also have no idea how to use it, but that's why I put it in. I feel like you guys are gonna be sitting there watching this like, what the hell is wrong with you? Can you guys hear that? I just feel like it's not meant to sound like this. This wasn't worth possibly getting food poisoning from.
Come. What's this?
Aww. This advent calendar makes me feel so cultured. Hello, so I'm just home. It's so cold and so dark in my house. I've taken tomorrow and Friday off because I have my boyfriend's flat's like Christmas dinner thing tomorrow. I'm really excited for it. So basically my plan for today is I'm gonna get something to eat, then I'm going to my grand's at like 3 because I need to paint her nails. So that's in like an hour. And then I need to bake. I'm doing the desserts. I'm not very good at baking though. I like to think I am, but I'm really not. So I'm making like a vegan Biscoff cake, which I made before and it turned out, like it tasted good, it looked awful, but I think I know where I went wrong. And I'm also baking some gingerbread cookies. So I'm excited for that. I'll try and vlog some of it. I was gonna make like a main video out of it, but it will be later that I make it and the lighting will be really bad and stuff. So I'm just gonna maybe get some vlog clips of it.
These are the products that I've
decided to use in my pamper sesh. I had a good old rummage through like all of the drawers and all the cupboards and pulled things, formulating them for a really long time to get them perfect, and
I was just like halfway through wrapping Christmas presents and I thought I would show you my outfit. So I'm wearing just this black turtleneck and then these like tartan leggingy trouser kind of things, and then I also had on this jumper which looked good with like the turtleneck poking out, but I took it off because I was too warm. The pattern of the trousers, if you wanted to know. Just finished wrapping. Obviously these are not all of the Christmas presents that I bought, but these are the presents for the Christmas dinner tomorrow for my Secret Santa. So yeah. Honestly, did not expect these to turn out so well. I'm impressed with myself, except this one. I don't think it looks that bad.
Is it the right angle? Sorry everyone. Is this the right angle? Yeah. Should we do Secret Santa? Okay.
Do you want?
I love Secret Santa. Ah. OOT Christmas, so outfit of the Christmas. OOT Christmas. Andorra, we love a rich queen.
Everyone in this flat's called Gwen.
Anyone from more gravy?
Yes.
That's a good song.
Hey. Hello.
Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog.
Alex?
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Hurry up! Chop chop! So Jules' vodka is very strong.
I had to enjoy
Here
that.
comes the
Merry Vlogmas.
Hello.
My pens. They're my nice pens.
Yes. Oh, well, the good ones.
What is skeptical?
Skeptical.